This system consists of MDPL, horizontal packing machine, auger, filler, and screw conveyor. Can pack various powder products into pre-made pouches. The storage silo has the safety, net and dust-proof cover, and a vibrator will shake the hopper to increase powder fluidity. The auger filler adopts fork tube level sensor and the servo-driven one-piece form screw to ensure the stable weighing accuracy. Customized vibratory feeder for spoon dispensing. Put 1 spoon in each bag. Bag dispenser adopts a standard direct bag placement method, convenient for bag placement, and can store 50 to 100 bags each time. The second station is for bag opening, contains zipper opening grippers, and air blowing devices to fully open the pouch. The third station is for bag filling, contains the bag tapper, grip sealing device, and dust collecting pipe. Testing arranged for smaller side gusset bags. Box zipper bag display. Each bag contains a spoon. Side gusset bag display.